Hey everyone, it is Christopher and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you watching today, and if you haven't already, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and put a comment down in the comment section below. Alright, thank you very much. Today I do have an unboxing for you. This is something from Gucci. This is something that I got a few months ago. Actually, it was in March. I got it for my birthday. And I was able to get this item from the boutique in Hawaii. So let's see what we got. All right. This is one of the few items that I did get from Gucci. If you don't know, Gucci and some other high-end brands actually cost less in Hawaii, and their prices are more in line with the Japanese currency. So Gucci and Louis Vuitton and a few other designers are they cost not as much in Honolulu, but it's still definitely an investment, a big investment. But it's always good if you can. I always try to score and get a discount where at, especially on designer items. Alright, so it did come in this box. This box is foldable, so it was super handy with traveling back. I was able to fold it down in my suitcase. And this item comes in a dust bag. I love that it's like this silkish, satinish feel, kind of like a suitcase. Not a suitcase, kind of like a pillow, So it's good. Anyway, let me undo the tie. All right, and it did. I'll show you what it is first. This is the small Gucci GG Supreme canvas tote. So it's like the smallest version. It comes in maybe about 3 different sizes. I actually tried on the medium size, which I almost got. I went into the store for this particular one, but the store couldn't find the medium, this size. So I was going to get the medium size, which wouldn't have been bad, but I don't know, for whatever reason, I just really wanted a really compact size bag, which is kind of what I'm into right now. I've had my share of oversized bags, and now I'm just trying to do more of compact, so things where you just put your phone in and put maybe your wallet, a few just necessities. And for me, the bigger the bag, the more I put in. So if I get a smaller bag, then I won't have to carry as much, and it'll save my shoulder some stress, my back some stress, and everything like that. Anyway, this is it. Inside just comes stuffed with some tissue paper. It smells good. I just love the smell of new products. On the inside, it is more of like a nylon. Let me see if you can see it, but it's like a nylon fabric, which is good because it'll be easier to keep clean and maintain. It does have 2 pockets on the inside where you can maybe put cards or something, and then it has a zipper pocket as well. And inside the zipper pocket, it came with some booklets, just in a few different languages, but it came with some booklets, so it's nice, I guess. So as you may know or may not know, earlier in the year, it may have even started at the end of last year, the African American community was on strike with Gucci because of a product they released that was more offensive to our community. But what I will say is, when I went into the store, Gucci is always great. Their customer service is always great. But this time in particular, they were super nice. At first, I thought it was maybe because we're in Hawaii and it's all love and light and Mukasa, or whatever the language is. And then I was thinking, well, is it because I'm black and I'm in this Gucci store and they're really trying to set an impression on their black customers or black shoppers? So I don't know, but what I did say, I said that to say this, that when I got home, I was like let me cover this up. When I got home, it was a actual mailed letter. This was all handwritten, and I love handwritten notes. But it was just a card from my sales rep there. Her name is Mina, and she just said, "Thank you, Christopher. I hope you are enjoying your recent purchase. Should you need any further assistance, you can email me directly. Look forward to welcoming you back into the store room." And it gave the address, and this is in Alamahana Boulevard, and this is in the mall there. So I just thought that was super nice. No other brand has done that for me as far as personalized and handwritten a note and mailed it out, and that was just great. That was really great. And again, her name is Mina. One last thing, it did come with the receipt, which mostly I won't show the price, but I did want to say that I was able to get this after all the discounts. I was able to get this for about 30% off. So I was like so happy. And because of that, I bought more. So it's really good. Please let me know what you want to see more of. If it's unboxing, if you want me to do a what's my bag, or what other type of videos, I would love to do it. I appreciate you watching. Take care until next time. Bye-bye.